Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. When your iPad is lost or you forget the password, you will definitely worry about whether others can steal your private information. No one wants to have their photo albums, WhatsApp and messages peeked at. I can't even imagine how uncomfortable and angry I would be if my private messages were peeked at. But luckily, the good news here is that as long as your password is not known to others, no one can peek into the private information on your iPad. Of course, except in another case, that is, some hackers and high-tech people may have this ability. So if you don't want others to steal your privacy, protect your device. If you just forget your password, you only need to remove the screen lock and restore the data in the backup to view your information and photos. Maybe you also want to know how to fix Unavailable iPad? It is worth mentioning that resetting any device after forgetting the password will erase all data, so you are very lucky if you have a backup. Without backup. So what to do if there is no backup? I want to tell you that if your device has ever trusted your computer, there is still some hope. You can refer to the video link in the description area to teach you how to make a backup. Next, I will show you the two most convenient and quick ways to unlock your device and use it again when you forget your password. Way 1. Use Erase button. Way 2. Use Reset tool. Now let's see how to use Erase button. After a few false attempts, you will see the Erase button. Click it and enter your Apple ID password as prompted. And press Go on the keyboard when asked choose Erase option. You will see the Apple logo screen with a progress bar. It may take a few minutes to bypass the iPad unavailable. Please be patient, and when the screen ends, your iPad will appear the Hello screen. Follow the quick setup to access the homepage. Way 2. Use Reset tool. For some old devices or iPads with lower iOS systems, the first method may not be feasible. If you do not see the Erase button on the screen, UltFone iOS Location Changer is a tool to remove the iPad unavailable screen anytime and anywhere. You only need to connect your iDevice with your computer. Then execute the factory reset button. The computer cannot recognize your device when it is locked, so we need to put the device into recovery mode. You can follow the tips to do that. Press quickly for volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the power button until you see the computer icon. Then click Factory Reset and then Download to get the firmware. Once the download is complete, click on Start Reset. During this process, you can do other things, play games or eat some desserts. Once the restore is completed, follow the quick setup to access the homepage. Your device will be ready to use again. So guys, that's all for today's video. Subscribe us to get more skills. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.